Yo, hello guys, jumpa lagi sama gue di channel ini dan ya, di video kali ini gue akan share lagi sebuah custom ROM untuk Redmi Note 9 Merlin coy. ROM kali ini tuh yaitu ROM Axion OS versi 2.4 berbasis Android 16 coy. Untuk Android 16 sebelumnya itu masih banyak kekurangan dan ya untuk ROM kali ini tuh udah sangat stabil alias udah minim bug coy. Jadi ini termasuk ROM yang saya rekomendasikan buat kalian yang ingin mencoba sensasi Android 16 coy. Biar tidak terlalu lama, langsung kita review custom ROM-nya coy. Let's go.
She's not easy, no, she's really complicated, but that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated, and I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated, but she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. She got a body like a coke thing, she likes to keep the party going, these rumors got me feeling lonely, I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing, she likes to keep the party going, these rumors got me feeling lonely, I want that body, baby, show me. When you're undressed, I heard you like to get away, I heard you like to stay out late, I heard you had a couple boyfriends, I heard they didn't treat you right, I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold, where she came from nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control, and all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession, got bad intentions. She got a body like a coke thing, she likes to keep the party going, these rumors got me feeling lonely, I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing, she likes to keep the party going, these rumors got me feeling lonely, I want that body, baby, show me. Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down, everybody knows I ain't faking now, everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone, I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in, gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in, easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself, I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf, couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Yeah, let's go. I don't wanna break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone. It's so cold I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me.
Oke, sekian review custom ROM-nya coy. Langsung aja saya akan jelaskan cara install custom ROM-nya coy. Let's go. Oke, di sini saya akan jelaskan kepada kalian tentang cara install custom ROM-nya coy. Sebelum itu, buat kalian yang sering menyimpan data penting di memori internalnya, silahkan pindahkan ke kartu SD card ataupun ke laptop. Dikarenakan internalnya nanti akan diformat coy. Dan untuk semua file yang sudah kalian siapkan, silahkan kalian pindahkan ke SD card coy. Karena internalnya tidak akan terbaca di loss recovery coy. Di sini gue udah pindahkan semua ya. Tinggal kita eksekusi ya. Langsung aja kita reboot ke recovery. Setelah masuk ke recovery, di sini kita lakukan format ulang ya, atau factory reset. Setelah beres kita format ulang, kita kembali dan pilih update, pilih FW dulu. Tutorial ini cara installnya sama untuk expander atau key vendor ya. Jadi untuk semua ROM sama. Kalau misalkan kalian udah di R vendor, kalian tidak perlu menginstal recovery dan FW nya coy. Langsung install ROM dan format aja sudah beres coy. Cuman di sini gue ingin jelaskannya tentang cara bagaimana install ROM-nya dari S vendor ataupun dari key vendor ya. Dan di sini kita udah install FW dan recovery. Selanjutnya kita reboot ke recovery ya. Nah, setelah masuk ke tampilan recovery-nya, kita klik update. Dan kita install custom ROM-nya coy.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best.
Setelah beres kita install custom ROM-nya, buat kalian yang ingin install custom kernel silahkan install. Sini saya nggak akan install custom kernel, langsung aja kita restart ya. Setelah masuk ke tampilan setupnya, langsung aja kita setup seperti biasa. Cuman kalau gue ini skip aja biar cepet.
I want the real stuff, everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back, yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun, shooters gonna.
Dan masuk ke tampilan home screen-nya coy. Sekian video kali ini, terima kasih buat kalian yang sudah menonton. Semoga kita bertemu di video selanjutnya coy. See you next time.